Hey gang, how's it going? Scott Klopfenstein here. Wanted to announce that we're going to be playing a show, or I'm going to be playing a show with some friends on July 12th here in New York City, in Brooklyn, at a place called the Paper Box. We're also going to be doing a showing of Pick It Up, the ska documentary that focuses on ska in the 90s. So what we're going to do is we'll do a screening of the movie. There'll be a Q&A with the filmmaker and probably myself and some other people, and then after that a show. So again, that's July 12th, New York City, the Paper Box.
So welcome to New York!